welcome to a Felicity Jane haul. So this was the I have not opened it. It's been sitting in my craft room all December, ever since I got it. I got it Black Friday haul. They were having a bunch of sales, a bunch of things off. I got a couple, I think I like 4 or 5 digital kits really cheap, since they're going to be no longer doing the same thing they've done for how many years. And I got this box and I haven't opened it yet, but they're having more sales. So make sure you go check out, get what's left, which wasn't a lot, but let's see what I got. First of all, like, I'm going to miss this packaging. Yeah, I don't remember what I ordered, but I can tell you it was quite a bit. Oh, looks like I got some washi. Oh, that's cool. It's just craft washi. I don't remember getting that. All right. Add this to the box of stuff I already have. So I know that I went a little crazy on the alphas because I love their alphas. And I went a little crazy on whatever Christmas I could find because I have some, and so I wanted a few more. Oh yeah, and I grabbed these cards because I thought they would be cute. Card and envelope set. And I got the Bella Christmas 6x6 papers. Stamps and alphas. Okay. And then I know these are the Christmas honeycomb trees, so they pop out 3D. Thought they'd be fun to like make a wreath or something with them. I got their little paper clips because I like them. Yeah, and I got 3 washi. I think that's the only washi I got, yeah. I thought I grabbed 3 different ones, but maybe I did grab 2 of that. I don't remember. Alphas. Okay, these are Essentials die cut skinny black alpha. I love these. They're tall. They're a really neat size. I got the Anne Puffy. They're like a peach. The Abigail, which are like this beautiful green. Bella gold. Gotta have those. Emily in this like burnt orange. Emma's blue chipboard. Grace in this minty green. Jenny in the white. I grabbed a ton of alphas because I love their alphas. I'm just gonna show you all of the alphas because that was the consistent thing I went and grabbed a ton of. And you can never have enough black alphas. Yep. I told you. A ton. Right. Okay. Oh, these ones. These ones. This is a stencil. Okay. These are all alphas. I just want to make, oh yeah, I got 2 of those. I just want to make sure I got all the alphas. There weren't a lot of full kits left, so I was not able to get a ton of full kits, but I did grab a couple essential things too. Okay, so these are all the alphas I got. Lots of good alphas. I got a couple stencils. This is a scallop, and then these are daisies. These are Julia epoxy dot stickers, so like enamel dots, and these are Bella epoxy dot stickers. I wanted a few of those. These are just white tags from the Christmas wishes, but I thought white tags with gold, like, you can't go wrong. These are their essential labels. I think all in these colors, which is super fun. Can't go wrong for labels. Oh yeah, the washi with the scallop. Had to get that. I did get these Christmas Merry and Bright. Is this Bella? I feel like it might be. Maybe not. Had to get some Christmas stickers. I liked these, the tag book. Just some things that I know I can use a lot of. These are Kayla's journaling tags. So it's like a book of tags. Just some things that are like staples. These are some journaling cards. These are Kayla also, photo pocket frames. I think I got a bunch of Kayla, like almost a whole collection. Yes, because I got her paper pack and the Emma paper pack. Those were the only 2 paper packs that I really wanted that they still had available. So I got as much Emma and Kayla as I could. Like these are Kayla chipboard. These are Emma words. These are Millie felt. They're not. These are Emma vellum. These are Collie felt daisies that the stencil went with. And these are Collie die cut shapes, so I thought that would be kind of fun. And a lot of their stuff kind of coordinates really well with other things, so that's why I wasn't too worried. These are Emily word stickers. I figure word stickers are always a good place to be too. And then Ginny, these cute layered stars, and crystal chipboard. So I grabbed just random things that I thought were cute, that I thought would also go with other things that I have. But I did get quite a few Kayla things and as many Emma things as I could because I did get those paper packs. But they still have a lot of that kind of stuff, like the bits and bobs in the shop. And so I grabbed the Kayla stamp as well because I got the kit. Kayla and Emma stamp, which I was super excited. It's all ampersands. I love ampersands. And then the Kayla is like summer, relax, airport. I mean, there's some stuff I'm not going to use, but just lots of fun stuff. Regan alphabet. I don't have a lot of alpha dies, and I liked this alphabet. So I thought this was perfect. And then these are Reese. It's like build a flower type thing. So I loved that too. Yeah, I'm pretty sure Kayla was the full kit. And Emma, I think, was at least the paper pack and maybe some of the kit. But some of it I didn't get. So you can see the papers. I'm not going to take them all out. And there's only one of each. And they're double-sided. So gutting. I just really liked, I thought this was fun to have. It's my last, you know, and there's some really good fun greens, and I really like this multicolor heart. And then there's that, which is super fun. And then, oh, when did they start doing that? They put the colors of the inks. And then I really liked this collection, it's pretty, Emma. There's a tag sheet. They've never done that. They didn't do that before. These are both 2022 collections. My light is dying. But there you go. I know that was kind of a whirlwind Felicity Jane haul for you guys to see, but I will be hopefully breaking into some of this stuff shortly, and you'll see it in much more detail. But I just wanted to show off some goodies. But they're still having sales. They're trying to clear out warehouses. They're doing a lot of digital stuff. Like I said, I got a bunch of digital collections too, so I just need to find a way to get them printed when I want to use them. But I will use all my physical stuff first. But yeah, so thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.